mac and cheese. I know it doesn't look too fancy in this package, but this is a product that we have a very hard time holding on to because it's super awesome. So let's go through the step-by-step on creating the simplest, most elegant lobster mac and cheese in the planet. First, I'm going to take the plastic off the cooking container. This is an oven-ready container. So I always try to put a pan underneath these containers just in case, you know, there's a little bit of overflow in the cooking. And I love cast iron, and this fits in there beautifully. And what we're gonna do is we thawed the lobster mac and cheese thoroughly, and then we're gonna bake it at 350 for 30 minutes. Our mac and cheese is done. The hardest part of the easiest lobster mac and cheese in the world has been completed. We have perfect color. Now we got to serve it. So I always like to thoroughly, mix it around before we serve it. And if this is a side, easily serves 4. If you want this as main part of your meal and you have a huge appetite, if you eat the whole thing yourself, you're definitely going to need to take a nap. But it serves 2 to 4 quite generously. So, mixed it up. You can see those chunks of lobster in there. It's been cooked perfect. I'm going to put a little bit in these nice little side dishes. And then what we really want to do is just make it pretty and presentable so that you look like a superstar. Nobody needs to know that you did not make this mac and cheese. I will not be mad. I won't say anything. A little bit of salt, not a crazy amount, a little bit of pepper, and it's always nice to add something green to something like this, and you have a beautiful, beautiful dish.